everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you outfits that I would love to wear this summer. Now that the sun is out, everybody's happy. Yeah, so stay tuned and keep watching. And thank you everyone that have subscribed so far to my channel. And if you've not already watched my videos, I've got 3 videos on my channel to have an idea of what my channel is about. And yeah, keep watching and oh, so the first one I'm going to be telling you about is what I'm wearing actually. It's actually it's just this shirt and this leggings. I'm going to insert a video somewhere here or here of the full length so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. And I've got these earrings on. This one is from Shein. If you're sleeping on Shein, I don't know what to tell you. They have the cutest accessories, especially for children. If you've got kids, run to Shein. So yeah, so this earrings from Shein, and this dress is an old dress I got from Everything I Found, and it was only, I think it was probably only £5 then before they started adding little money to their prices. So yeah, and it's probably 4 years ago or 3 years ago. It's probably 4 years ago. And I keep wearing it every summer. So yeah, so this is it. The dress. I've got this leggings from and this glasses is from Boohoo. So they do quite nice, lovely, affordable pieces as well. And I'm going to pair it with this my MSU bag. I got this bag from Ego Official. And yeah, so this is it. Imagine I'm going for, where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Let me know in the comment section. Where would I wear this to? Let me know in the comment section. Okay? Range that I'm definitely, it has always been my style anyway. It's flat shoes, or if you call it ballerina flats. Yeah, I'm going to be rocking this summer. No matter how hot it is, I'm still going to wear it. So yeah, I don't know if I should swap this. I like the pop of color. This was actually a DIY. So I had a pearl necklace that broke, and I had these earrings, these big earrings, and I thought, you know what, let me just put the pearls in this earring and make this large pearl earrings, and then voila. Let me see, do I swap this? Let me see. No, I think I love this one. I love the pop of color. Let's see how it goes. This is the first time I'm putting them together, so we are making this decision together. So I'm gonna put the shoes on, and yeah, put the shoes on. I'm starting with this cute denim 2-piece set. This 2-piece set I just curated for my wardrobe. They didn't come together. The shirt is differently, and the shorts is different as well. I'm going to leave the glasses on because it's sunny. Yeah. I'm gonna put the full outfits on either side so you can see. Yeah, I don't know if I should open this, I'll let you know. So this is the denim piece 2 sets. I know 2 sets is on trend, and I'm going to be rocking this summer. So what would you wear this to? I love shorts, but I'm not a fan of shorts that's very short and tight to the body. So I usually get like a size or 2 sizes bigger. So this is like 1 size bigger. So I love how baggy it is. And baggy in front. So the next trend I'm going to be wearing this summer is definitely white. I think white is always a trend anyway. It comes out every summer, and yeah. So I'm going to be wearing as a two-piece set, and this is a two-piece set that did not come together, so I put them together myself. This shirt is from my husband's shirt, because I wanted something wide, large, comfortable and free. And yeah, and this trouser is from River Island, and yeah, the bag is from Uniqlo. So this bag is sort of what's it called? Is this sachet bag? No, it's not sachet bag. I don't know what you call this kind of bag, but it's on trend now. It's called yeah. So this is it. Simple, not a lot of jewelry. See, I don't have anything on my ears, I don't have anything on my neck, just my ring and my wristwatch. This wristwatch is the husband's wristwatch. I'm always stealing his things. But I love it. I love the brown leather. So yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna move back a bit so I can see properly. So where would you wear this to? I'm going to insert a clip of the full version of the outfit. So here, not here. Where would you wear this to? Where would you wear this to? Will you wear it to church? Will you wear it to maybe like an event? Where would you wear it to? Well, let me know in the comment section. So the next outfit is this one. I'll say it's the style of the show basically, because I love the color. I love that it's a dress. I love dresses. I love the name. I love the texture. Texture of the dress. It's like jacquard. Do you know what jacquard is? Oh, I love this little 3D lace detail. And yeah, so I'm going to start it with, let's take these glasses off. I think these glasses takes away from the outfit. Let's take these glasses off. So I'm going to start with this one, the shoes. These shoes are from ASOS. I got them on sale for less than £10. Can you imagine? I don't know why it was on sale. Maybe it's the color. Maybe people were running away from the color, but I love it. Yeah, so let's see. This I'll definitely wear for like the girls' brunch, you know, or dinner, just dinner, or dinner out with my friend, with my girlfriend. But yeah, you can actually wear this for dinner date with your hubby. Make it pretty. Showing the outfit of it. I think it's like I don't know which bag to hold, but I just thought I would go with this bag here. Yeah, looks nice. It's actually not bad. The next outfit I'll be talking about is wide leg pants style with bodysuits. So it has always been like a classy outfit to put together, and yeah, so let me show you how I start mine. As usual, I'll put the longer leg, full leg video from left to right. So yeah, this is it. It's comfortable. This bag, I'm always wearing it. So yeah, that's it. So the other thing I think I have never tried is the thing apparently. So we put the shirt on the whole outfit basically. Like this. I like it for those chilly evenings. Because the weather here sometimes can be sunny, and then in the evenings it gets really chilly. So you can just throw on a pair of white shirts on top like this. So the next outfit I'm going to be showing you is this two-piece set I got from Style years ago. And yeah, it's very cute. I love the detail. So the other thing I'm going to be wearing in this outfit that's got cute detail. I love the frills on the sleeves. I love the button details. I love the flower beads, the mix of blue and pink. This was actually my wedding color. It was a fuchsia pink and a royal blue. So yeah, I kind of like the color together. And yeah, so this is how I'm going to be styling it. It's actually a two-piece set, bought it separately. This is the skirt. Skirt is very versatile, can wear it with anything. I think I've worn this skirt with a blazer before when I went out for dinner, a birthday dinner that I was invited to. Yeah, I love this outfit together. And we're going to have these glasses again. Of course, it's going to be sunny, and yeah, I feel like these dark glasses suits this outfit. It's not taken away from the outfit. Yeah, so I decided to tuck it in. You can leave it out, but I decided to tuck it in so it looks like a dress because I'm obsessed with dresses. But yeah, so this is the outfit. It's nice, it's lovely, it's free, it's airy. To protect your dignity, you just wear something, a short underneath. And yeah, I'll be starting with this bag again, the Hermes Dupe from Eco Official. What is this? I don't know what this is. I think it's oil, moisturizer or something I used. So yeah, I'm going to start it with this bag. Look at this bag, just look at this bag. I added this handle because sometimes I always like to carry my bag like this. The handle came with another bag, and just thought, you know, why not add it to this one? I did that. Voila! I always happen things, so yeah, I'll show you the full outfit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. I'm going to love and leave you now. Take care.